718, I think. That's what they're called. Chassis code.
Slide, action, freeze, dancing. Slide, action, freeze, dancing. People gon' talk, but it won't change. Yeah, ay, keep it.
Stand on the motor.
You can see it like go down a tiny bit.
It's my BMW M3 from 95. Yeah. Stock market. What?
Back up to it. I'm trying to find the frame. I don't know, there's good.
Okay. Can't even hear me probably.
Try speaking.
I'm trying to speak right now. What's up, everybody? Trevor here. This is my 1995 BMW M3 in Dakar Yellow. I bought this car about 2.5 years ago here in, in Germany. But the car is from Sweden. Originally Sweden plate, which was in the music video for Kizo, Disco Polo. Pretty much the entire car has been redone since then because 2 weeks after I bought the car, the head gasket went and it was terrible. A lot of money was put into the car. There's a karbonious carbon fiber CSL intake, original Bosch yellow lenses, and then over here there's Mille Miglia MM2000s and a Defox steering wheel. That's been recovered by Defox, but it's an M-Tech 2 steering wheel. That's pretty much it for the modifications, besides like a special tune and alpha N for the intake for it being mathless.
You got a new diff and stuff too, right?
Yeah, but I mean, it's still stock. It's still stock fair. Diff. It's not uprated. It's still a 25% differential.
It's on KWs.
Yeah, it's on KWs. Version 1s only, though. I'm thinking of switching maybe over to BC, but it's a nice cruiser car. Like 2 weeks after I bought the car and it died on me. It took me a couple months, but I got everything sourced and I rebuilt the car and everything was good. And then that same week or a week after I rebuilt the car, I drove it all the way down to Dubrovnik, Croatia. So I really tested the car, and we were probably sitting around 5,500 RPMs the entire way down. Sometimes even a little bit more than that, maybe around 7, 8. Super reliable car. If you're wanting to get an M car, an M motor, or anything else, especially like the E92 V8 in the M3, don't be scared about the bearings. All you have to do is warm the car up and make sure that it's warm before you start going over 3,000 RPMs, and you can beat the fucking shit out of this car for 20 hours down to Croatia on a brand new build. So they're good cars, reliable, probably the most reliable motor and car I've ever had, honestly.
Who did your exhaust on this thing?
Ciecko. It's a stainless steel, all stainless, 6-to-1 exhaust.
It looks and sounds very good. The noise in here is very balanced. It's like a lot, or right now it's like exhaust, but then as soon as you get on it, it's all intake, and it complements itself. just saw the ABS not working. Slows down good.
Yeah, if I treat it like it doesn't have ABS, then it's fine.
Whoa, it's a Malu. Drift jump over that part.
Really?
Yeah, it's fucking awesome.
So sketchy.
Well, you don't have to. Nah, it's too slow.
Sketchy because it's a 120,000 zloty car.
Yeah. It's not worth it.
Back is revving. It's probably why the diff is not liking it.
Yeah. Yeah, let's not drift this car. It's the one car to not drift, maybe.
The lightweight flywheel makes it harder to drift.
Yeah, that too.
Yes.
Don't have as much mass behind it. We're also 3 people deep in a fully. I guess this thing has like 300.
Yeah.
It has a lot of horsepower, so it'll still drift, but and it's wet out.
It'll kick out pretty nicely.
Yeah. Guy on an
Then
ATV.
you get to the 8th section.
Yeah.
People gon' talk, but it won't change, yeah. Ay, keep it steady up in my own lane, yeah. Ay, bottle service up when I get paid, yeah. Ay, Casa de Amigo sit plante, yeah. Turn that shit up, caliente, yeah. Ay, kung fu, but I ain't your sensei, yeah. Ay, tore the shit down in my own way, yeah. Ay, I be getting bands, getting plenty. Pay for, risk cold. Get that bag, I gon' take that shit home. Roll that blunt, I gon' smoke on my own. Get these bands, yeah, we gon' roll. Pay for, risk cold. Get that bag, I gon' take that shit home. Roll that blunt.
Compact started up after a long time. If anyone's interested in buying this thing, it's for sale for 20K Polish. M52 B28 with an M50 manifold.
Stop jerking off my car.
I'll jerk off whatever I want to jerk off.
Old man.
I gon' smoke on my own. Smoking on pounds, yeah, we gon' roll. Slide, ash, freeze, dancing, slide.
So this has been our rainy day with Trevor's M3. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see more of, less of, anything else. Have a great day.
Ash, freeze,
station, late night, found a rave. You hit me up, asking where the party at. You pull up, transport, see you on the